Are you looking to separate work and personal browsing, or just want a fresh space for your online activities? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a second profile in Microsoft Edge, step by step, so you can stay organized and efficient. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. If you don't have it installed, head to the official Microsoft Edge website and download the latest version. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu icon. Click it and select Settings. Here, you'll see a sidebar. Click on Profiles. This section lets you manage all your browser profiles, including adding, removing, or switching between them. To create a new profile, click Add Profile in the top right corner, then hit Add in the pop-up window. You'll now have a choice. Sign in with your Microsoft account or continue without signing in. Signing in syncs your bookmarks, history, and settings across devices. Perfect if you're already using Microsoft services. Choosing to continue without signing in gives you a private, temporary profile for flexible use. Next, take a moment to personalize your new profile. Pick a layout, theme, and tab setup that fits your style. You can even pin frequently visited websites to your taskbar for quick access. Once you're happy, click Finish, and your new profile is ready. Now, switching between profiles is effortless, giving you dedicated spaces for work, school, or personal browsing. And that's it. You've successfully created a second profile in Microsoft Edge, making your online experience more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.